going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be doing a review with my guys at work on Dave's Hot Chicken. Dave's just opened up in Menominee Falls. I know they've already had a bunch of locations all throughout the U.S. Dave's was started by 4 friends in East Hollywood. Dave being a trainee, someone who worked in the organization of the French Laundry, a Thomas Keller restaurant, which, if anybody knows who he is an amazing individual and super well respected. So Dave, he's a fellow brother of the Caucasus, just as I. He's an Armenian guy. So tell me what you think. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys, but here's the review.
All right, so I got the medium right here. Look at this slider. It's tender on it. Great. Like they toasted the inside of the bun. It's a pro move right there. Got some pickles on it. It's got some slaw too. Look at the slaw. It's a kale slaw. Damn, that is good. And the fries transported well. The fries are actually crispy still, and we drove this thing for 20 minutes. You got the cheese fries too.
The hot. Oh, it's kind of hot.
So the hot's kind of hot. So the medium is a good amount of spice, man. It's not like a weak medium. I also got extra hot, and Reaper. So I'm gonna try those after I'm done eating my meal.
The medium's got good taste to it though.
I'm saying the medium is even like. Well, the hot is actually tickling my throat.
All right, let me go for the hot real quick. The medium's got good kick, man. It's like a little bit of the sauce.
Only my bad.
The sauce definitely helps cool it down. The hot is pretty good.
Oh, wow.
I didn't go with any mild. They had a mild, they had a light mild, and a no spice.
No, yeah, the hot's actually.
The hot's pretty hot. That Reaper is gonna kill me, I'm
But
sure.
the medium's got some kick. I can't imagine.
That's what I'm saying. The hot's got some big too.
Yeah, the cheese fries are good. Yeah, the fries transported pretty well, man. I'm surprised about that.
They're not soggy.
Even the cheese fries with all the cheese on it. Waiting in line. I guess the line the day before was like 2 hours or something like that. 2 hours the day before. We waited like about a half an hour. They were hustling. They were moving pretty good.
It was just open.
Just opened yesterday. But the owner's a cool guy, man. He's real nice. He was going around saying what's up to everybody and asking them what they're gonna order and stuff. So he seems like he's dialed in. The staff was moving well, you know. It was pretty good. You want to try the extra hot?
Yeah, I'll
Go
try
ahead.
some.
Extra hot.
I'm gonna die.
I'm sweating now.
My nostrils are.
Dude, I'm sweating now.
All right, here we go.
Oh, that definitely got
Your face is getting red.
it packs a better punch.
It's gotta be hot.
It's definitely hotter.
The thing is,
spicier than the hot.
Your
it's,
face is getting red.
well, it's not
It's
like
tolerable.
they're
It's
not a big
tolerable.
difference.
Right.
They're like steps up. Like the distance between each one of them is spaced out well. It's not too spicy to where it's ruining the flavor.
Right.
You know when it gets too hot, it ruins like the flavor of it. This is
I can
not
still
really
eat
flavor.
it. I can still eat it.
I'm gonna have to eat some macaroni in between. You want to try the Reaper? You want to go for it?
It's really
I'll try it.
It looks
I'll try these.
All right.
I would get the extra hot on a sandwich. I don't think I'd eat it alone.
Yeah,
Like with the toppings, it could like.
but it's good. It still has
Yeah,
flavor.
oh yeah.
Nick's like breathing like with his mouth open.
Dude, I'm sweating.
Yeah.
I'm sweating. Okay. Look at this. The Reaper. Look at that. Will this
I'm gonna wait and see
be?
it,
Will
right?
this be the death? Will this be the death of me?
Seriously.
I can already tell it's not fucking around immediately. It's like,
Yeah, with the hot.
We gotta sip water in between one of these.
oh fuck.
It's gotta be hot.
Oh shit. I'm sweating.
That's good.
Oh. My face is red as hell, huh?
Go ahead.
I couldn't even try the Reaper before drinking some water. Extra hot already got.
I haven't had any liquid yet.
Yeah,
You haven't.
Yeah,
I have not.
No
cooling
cooling. Try
on
this
it.
with like a clean palate.
Oh, it's
I'm speechless. Yeah, it lingers. Oh, it's still going. Whew. That is hot.
Oh, that's too hot.
It hurts.
Yeah, maybe like that's what he is telling me.
That's uncomfortable.
Oh, it's uncomfortable. Oh.
Fix that, man. Yeah, you look rough. I'm not even.
He didn't even drink anything yet.
Like you can see the sweat melting on top of your head. That looked like it hurt.
Yeah, this is hurt. This hurts.
Stay away from the Reaper unless you want to burn.
Yeah, you
Help me out, Pickle. Dude, I'm literally got sweat dripping down the side of my face. Ooh.
There were people who were just eating like crazy.
Dude, that piece of bread it was sitting on is sweating right now. Oh, God.
Whoa, you gotta get this side.
You ate the whole piece?
Hell no. I ate one like tiny piece.
I got goosebumps.
You think you could eat the whole piece?
No. I mean, I could, but no. Why would I do that?
Just I'm getting back to normal
I
now.
still have goosebumps from the house. I got goosebumps from my
I
body.
was on death's door. I've just been revived. I would say top absolute most I would do alone would be hot alone. Extra hot, it's gotta be on a sandwich with the sauce all over it. Reaper. It's still enjoyable, but then after about 30 seconds, it was no longer enjoyable for me. But overall, everything's great. Obviously, I didn't try the ones below it. I didn't try the mild light or plain because it's not Dave's chicken, it's Dave's hot chicken. So I don't know. I think it's pretty phenomenal. I'm gonna finally now tap out and get some water.
The Reaper, it sounds terrifying.
Yeah, the Reaper.
So that's the medium slider.
It's got a sweetness right off the gate.
Whoa.
Heat hits you in the back of your throat, but it's not awful heat. It's a really good tingly heat.
Yeah, it does. It's like the spice does not mess up the flavor of it.
No, and that's the problem. A lot of times you get these hot foods. They're hot, but there's no flavor.
Right.
It's just pain. You don't
Yeah.
want pain. You want flavor. You want the endorphin rush of the heat. And you're getting that with this. The scary thing is this is a medium. I can only imagine what the freaking Reaper is.
You know what though? Like each one of the flavors. So when you go from the medium to the hot, it's not a huge jump, but it's a jump. It's enough of a jump to where you notice it, but not too much.
And I'm feeling it in my head right now. For medium. Is that the hot? That's the hot?
This one is the hot.
That's the hot.
That's the hot, right? Yeah.
I want to sample the hot.
Oh, yeah.
So that's the hot.
Yeah. Flavor changes now. No. I don't know. Definitely hot, but not like 3 decimals higher. You know,
Yeah,
decibels higher.
it's like a good progression higher. You know, like some places when you start off with medium and then you go to the hot, it's too much of a leap to
It
where
is.
you're like, man, I wish. No, this is right. They're doing it right.
This is exactly the way it's supposed to be,
Right.
and it's not brutal.
No,
This is enjoyable heat.
it's enjoyable heat. Yeah.
I like that they're not shy on the seasoning as well.
Yeah, it's got.
You go to some place, you get a dry rub, and it's just like a little dash on top. You know what I mean?
Right.
This frickin' thing is drenched in the
Yeah.
seasoning. I know I'm gonna regret this, so I gotta try the Reaper.
Do you want to try the extra hot? Try the
Try
extra.
the extra hot before you go to the Reaper.
Let's take it off the end here. So this is the extra hot.
Yeah.
There's not a huge difference between the hot and the extra hot, in my opinion.
Oh yeah, time
Right,
for the
though.
Reaper.
I'm gonna try it.
My piece of bread is crying right now.
I don't want to try that Reaper. It's terrifying. It's scaring me, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Oh yeah, this is gonna be awful.
That's it? Come on.
Oh, whatever.
Say it again in 30 seconds.
No fucking doubt on that one. No doubt. That hits you right out the gate.
It gets worse too.
It attacks your tongue. Oh god. Back your cheeks. Attack your throat. I gotta get sewed up. Oh wow.
And that folks is the Reaper. It was definitely good.